Hi everyone and welcome back to HTML series. In this video, we are diving into a small but incredibly important part of HTML document, the title tag. It might seem like it's just a little bit of text at the top of your browser, but it has a huge impact on search engine optimization, user experience, and even how a site appears on a social media. Let's unlock those details. Take a look at this sample. As you can see here, the title tag lives inside the head section of your HTML document. It defines the title of your web page. But this isn't displayed anywhere on the body of our page. But it is crucial for how our page represents everywhere else. Now, I am going to show you where this tag appears and why it is the game changer for your web pages. Let's find out. In search engine optimization, the title tag is a major factor in helping search engines to understand what your page is about. It is like a headline for your content that search engine uses to index and rank your page in search results. And also, this title tag plays a crucial role in improving the click-through rate. In search engine results page, this title tag is displayed as a clickable heading for your page. So, by just writing a strong title tag, you can attract more users to your site. Let's inspect the top result. As you can see, the clickable link text in the search result is exactly the same as the title defined within the HTML page. Next, in user experience, this title tag is the first thing user sees in the browser tab and even in bookmark section. A clear and descriptive title helps them quickly identify the page and understand its content, especially when they have multiple tabs open as shown in this screen. And also, it enhances the navigation as this info helps the user understand the content of the page before they open it. So, they can decide whether to open that particular tab or not. Next, let's look at its role in social media sharing. I have got a LinkedIn post here with a shared link. Take a close look at it. What LinkedIn shows for this particular link. Now, let's inspect the code for the particular web page. What do you see? This text in the LinkedIn post is exactly the same as the page title. This shows you how crucial your title tag is for making a great first impressions and getting those clicks. Along with this, title tag plays a crucial role in accessibility as well. Screen reader use this title tag to announce the page title to screen reader users. With help of this, users can understand the page context. Now let's talk about how to write this title tag effectively, and also let's look at it some common mistakes to avoid. First, let's start with the best practices. Be concise. Aim for around 50 to 60 characters. Longer titles might be truncated in the search results. And use relevant keywords, including important keywords that accurately reflect your page's content is better. And make it unique. Each page on your website should have a unique title. And be descriptive. Clearly describe the content of the page and put the most important keywords first. This helps the search engine to understand the main topic of your web page. Next, let's see some common mistakes. Avoid key stuffing. Don't use too many keywords into your title tag. It looks spammy and it can hurt your browser search engine optimization. Next, avoid duplicate titles. Each page should have a unique title tag so browsers won't confuse. In summary, this title tag plays a vital role in your website success. By following these best practices, you can improve your SEO, enhance your user experience, and make your website more accessible. That's it for this video, guys. If you have any questions, please leave them in a comment section below. Thanks for watching.